3 powerful tips to travel smarter and save more. These simple strategies will help you plan stress-free trips, avoid common mistakes, and get the most out of every journey. Hello travelers, welcome to Waywonders YouTube channel. We are here to make your trips efficient and stress-free with these smart travel hacks. Let's get started. Tips number 1. Book early or late. When booking flights, aim to book months in advance or snag last-minute deals for the best prices. Timing is everything, so stay flexible to catch the best offers. Tips number 2. Carry a travel wallet. A travel wallet keeps your passport, tickets and cash organized and easy to access. No more fumbling at security or check-in. Tips number 3. Prioritize direct flights. Whenever possible, choose direct flights to avoid the risk of delays or missing connections. It might cost slightly more, but it saves you hours of stress. And there you have it, 3 easy tips to travel smarter and make every trip unforgettable. Want to level up your trip planning even more? Click the link in the description for extra tips and recommended resources.